And let's move now to the last presentation before the break. And this presentation is going to be special because we will have two young scientists in a team presenting for the CeMM Research Center for Molecular Medicine based in Vienna. A very strong fan base here in Brno, and certainly also a very strong fan base in Austria. We will find out soon, but first let's check the promo video of the Institute.
Yo, listen up, here's the real CeMM story. Austrian Academy's hub of medical glory. From the town of Freud and Semmelweis, one of the members of AU Life. From 50 nations, 300 colleagues, more than a third study PhDs. Right in the middle of prime medical ground, 2,000 medical doctors making the rounds. Quality research at the very frontier, published well, mainly first year, inclusive, young, international crew, multidisciplines to pursue. Building the tools and using them too. Super cooperation is our foundation. Science is our medicine, our proclamation. From molecules to patient care, CeMM's dedication is always there. Pioneering health's future scope, CeMM works hard to foster hope. Julio my name, director my fame, Anita my mate, serving our fate. AU Lifers, our homies, we're here to bring our testimony.
Yeah, I was thinking that the voice was kind of familiar. Good job. From genes to human connection, our next talk is a duo, as I've already mentioned. Two young scientists, Brianda Santini and Carolina Mangana, will share their personal and scientific journeys in a spoken word performance about identity, collaboration, and science without borders. Please give them a warm welcome. Brianda and Carolina. Yeah, and let's check out the mood in Vienna. Oh. This is amazing. This is amazing support. Both here. Yeah, what a great support. Oh, now we could even hear for a moment, but we can see that the support is huge. Use it and transform it into a powerful 4-minute performance.
I am the daughter of a fisher from the shores of north of Mexico, where the ocean told all my stories, and my prognostic was very simple. Finish high school, niña. No more expectations.
I'm the daughter of a teacher from the western end of Europe, where the sand told all my stories, and my prognostic was very simple. Whatever you do, be happy. High expectations.
But life surprised me. It pulled me towards the unseen. A world so small yet infinite, the world of proteins. I traded fish tacos for equations, structures, and simulations for these little machines, folding and twisting alpha helices, coiling like dancers, beta sheets stretching like sunlit fields. I had to get to know them and uncover their secrets, so I left.
I became another moving part of the brain drain. Leave Portugal, learn English, no effort is in vain. I traded the sun for the clouds, tomatoes for potatoes, came back with a diploma just to leave for another one. You see, I am a citizen of Europa. I lived in 4 countries in the last 10 years. Portugal taught me how to be, Scotland taught me how to learn, Germany taught me what others could be, and Austria teaches me there is no end to what I can become.
There is a place in Vienna, a blue house,
Where science meets medicine.
where every tool at our fingertips helps us unravel life.
Some work with cells, dishes, and pipettes. Others with numbers, keyboards, and screens. We untangle the signals of health and disease.
And me, I work with numbers and code, tracing patterns, revealing shapes once unknown. When I first saw AlphaFold, Nobel Prize-winning game changer, it gave us tools to see the invisible, a way to understand how life works. With just one sequence, a whole map unfolds. But wait, there's so much more: molecular dynamic simulations, because physics for the win. Crystallography to sharpen the picture. Interdisciplinary teams uniting in harmony. Physics, biology, chemistry, engineering, all to study one gorgeous protein.
I have worked across fields, looked at the tiniest RNAs, moved on to cells and now to tissues. You see, biology morphs across scales, but one thing remains true. You interact with me.
I interact with you.
What a cell is and what it can do is a consequence of everywhere it's been and who it talks to. See, I care about gossip, chatter between cells, how their environment and their friends make up their identity, how a tumor from far away can undermine the strategic stronghold of immunity.
How do they gossip?
Sorry, what?
I mean, how do your cells chat?
Well, metabolites, proteins.
Proteins?
Yes.
Because these proteins, they don't just exist.
Right, they interact.
Cell bridges that electrify, pi stacking like molecular high fives. Hydrogen bonds holding on like long-lost lovers. Van der Waals whispering, hey, I'm here too. These tiny forces, these fleeting touches, they mean everything.
They mean diseases can be cured.
They mean a life that can be saved. They mean maybe, just maybe, our research will one day become part of something bigger.
Something that solves. So if proteins are agents, main characters in immunosuppression, protein interaction determines the conversation between immune cells. Imbalance equals dysfunction.
If I can understand the receptors, we can rewire communication, enhance function.
And tip the balance from suppression to defense.
So what a cell is and what it can do, it's a consequence of everywhere it's been and who it talks to.
Exactly. If I map their place, their neighbors,
their protein gates, their current state,
we can change their function.
We should.
We should. Look at us. These immigrants, this teacher's daughter.
Girls whose futures were once measured in uncertainty,
now measure the weight of interactions.
The pull of forces, the hope
of healing.
Thank you.